Certainly was great out there today, Paul.
Yes, some sunshine earlier in the day. Let's move on to the highs and lows for today. 38 was the high, 30 degrees was the low. The normals 39 and 25. The records 71 back in 1930, 0 back in 1900. This is the start of the tornado season in Wisconsin, and this is Tornado Awareness Week. I want to just take some time to define what a tornado watch and warning is. A tornado watch means that the potential is high for severe thunderstorms, which may include tornadoes. A tornado warning means that a tornado or funnel cloud has been sighted. This is the national radar right now, and you can see with this storm that we have lots of strong thunderstorms down to the south and a large area of snow just to the north and west of that. Duck Creek had 30 inches of snow with this storm. We can see this better on satellite with the circulation. Right here is the center of rotation, right here with this developing storm system. Last night was kind of interesting because we noticed that there was a lot of clouds off to the west of us. Well, if we look at this 24 hours later, we'll notice that the clouds are having a hard time in getting here. And the reason for this is we have a high pressure system off to the north and east of us, and it's bringing in some very strong winds around it. As a result, that's blocking moving this towards us. This is the current situation. We've got two lows down to the south of us. They're probably going to combine and form one low, and right now the track is somewhat uncertain. About this time tomorrow, we'll have a low down here with rain and some pretty strong thunderstorms down towards the Gulf. And our block will remain intact with snow, heavy at that, out in the west. For us, our current conditions, for us, for tomorrow we'll have cloud cover. Moving in, we will remain clear. Temperatures in the 30s along the lake and 40s out to the west. Right now in Wisconsin, we have 34 here at News 4, 35 at Mitchell, 34 in Waukesha. The dew point 23, humidity 64%. The winds are coming out of the east at 15 miles per hour. The barometer is falling at 30.29 inches. Tonight, mostly clear, lows 25 to 30. Tomorrow, sunny to partly cloudy and breezy. Highs 37 at the lakefront, 47 inland. Tomorrow night, clear to partly cloudy, lows near 30. And on Wednesday, partly cloudy, highs 38 at the lakefront, 48 inland. And then we'll keep an eye on the storm.
And when do you think it might move in?
Well, I would say probably Thursday into Friday. We'll see what happens. Okay. Maybe we'll get some tornadoes up here. That would be great.
Oh, really? Thanks,
yeah.
Paul.
Okay.
Beautiful weather across the area today, Paul.
Yes, hopefully it will last, but we do have a storm that we do have to keep our eyes on. But first, let's talk about today. Today we had a high of 38 degrees. Our low was 30. The normals are 39 and 25. Records 71 back in 1930 and 0 back in 1900. And yes, April is just around the corner, and with that we can expect the start of the tornado season. This right here is a fairly decent looking tornado. I want to just explain the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning. A tornado watch means that the potential for severe thunderstorms is high, which may include tornadoes. A tornado warning means that a tornado or funnel cloud has already been sighted, and that's when you have to take cover. Well, let's look right now at the situation, and we can see we have got some very big thunderstorms down here, topping out at 54,000 feet. They've had reports of funnels, tornadoes down there. There's a watch out for parts of Texas. They have to keep an eye on the situation. On the other side of the low, a lot of snow. Duck Creek, 30 inches of snow already. Whew, it's getting rough out there. So this is what we have to keep our eyes on over the next few days. It's easy to see where the storm is with the center of rotation. Just out in Arizona and parts of New Mexico, you can see the cyclonic circulation around that low. It is a strong one. Last night in our neck of the woods, we had clouds moving in, and they're having a hard time getting here. Let's take a look at the current situation, and you can see the clouds are really having trouble getting here. The reason is we have a block, a high pressure system just off to the north and east of us. It's really strong, and it's got some winds with it, northeast winds, keeping things cooler at the lake and warming up inland. Well, the storm is just down to the south of us now, and on the warm side of it is where the thunderstorms are occurring, and over on the north and west side is where they're having the snow. So about this time tomorrow, we can expect the rain area to be around the low. The snow will be confined to the western part of the United States. Some big thunderstorms maybe right down in here. For us, well, we can expect pretty clear skies around here. Clouds just down to the south of us, 30s at the lake, 40s if you're far enough inland. Right now around the area, we have 34 at News 4, 35 at Mitchell, 34 in Waukesha. The dew point is 23, 64% humidity. The winds are coming out of the east at 15 miles an hour. Pressure's falling, 30.29. The forecast for tonight, mostly clear, lows 25 to 30. Tomorrow, sunny to partly cloudy and breezy, highs 37 lakefront, 47 inland. Tomorrow night, clear to partly cloudy, lows near 30. Looking ahead to Wednesday, partly cloudy, highs 38 lakefront, 48 inland. And then let's keep our eyes on the storm.
Yeah, when do you think it might get in here?
Well, Thursday night, maybe Friday.
What are you basing that on?
A milk bone dog biscuit.
Thank you, Paul.
Okay.
Nice to have you here.
All right.